A-level exam is getting closer, I thought of briefing you regarding writing context answers. We have discussed about writing context questions and how to approach context answers, the structure and everything we have discussed earlier. So I want to revise. Let's do it as a revision, just in brief. How to approach, because a context question would be for 8 marks. You will get 4 context questions based on novels, dramas, short stories and poetry. So you have to answer 4 context questions, and the short stories and novels you don't get an option. They will give you one extract from like from one of the short stories in your collection and one extract from one of the poems in your collection. And dramas and novels you have to select, but the thing is, if you have selected, for example, if you have selected Othello for your context answer, then you cannot select the same drama for your essay type question. Novels also the same situation, and that's why we do 2 dramas and 2 novels. So when it comes to the marking scheme, you all know for the identification you get 1 mark. You have to write exactly from where these lines taken. These lines are taken from this poem, this novel, like that. And even the name of the novel, the name of the writer, everything you have to write with correct spellings. If you do spelling errors related to the name of the, like imagine you do a spelling error when you write the poet's name or the dramatist's name, then we consider it as a mistake. So for the identification, there will be 1 mark, and for the relevance to the text and the theme, what you write should be related to the given extract. So for that you get 3 marks. And also the literary features, when you define the literary devices and the features, for that you get again 1 mark. And for the use of language, the fluency, and also you always have to use very rich language for the language and everything. So for that you get 3 marks. So that is how you get 8 marks for a context question. And when it comes to the length or the content, you can write 1 side in the exam papers. You can write 1 side answer. That would be enough, because you are writing for 8 marks. So that is 1 side, writing 1 side would be enough. And also you need to write a proper identification, like from where the extract is taken, how this extract is relevant to the given for the novel or for the drama or for the poem or the short story, how it is relevant. Or else you can talk about the setting and situation, and just in 1 line or 2 lines you can explain it in the introductory paragraph. Then you have to move on to the second paragraph, where you need to do an analysis of the given extract. Remember, always we analyze the given extract, not the whole text, not the whole drama or for whole novel. So it's only the given extract you need to analyze when it comes to the analyzing part. And also you are not supposed to paraphrase, or you are not supposed to write the same thing what you see in the story and all, or the poem or whatever. You have to analyze, like if you see something in the poem, if the poem says something, then you have to say what it means or what the writer wants to indicate. What is the message, or what does it what is the hidden idea, the in-depth idea, because literature is not just what you see on the surface. So what is beneath, what is inside that, you have to take it out of that and analyze in the analyze paragraph. Most of the time the students lose marks in this analyzing part, because sometimes you just write the same thing what you see there. So you have to comment on, you have to analyze what is there, like take the points, get the points and write them in your analyzing paragraph. And the third paragraph would be the theme. You have to explain about the theme, not the theme of the whole poem or the whole novel or whatever. You have to discuss about the theme related to the given extract only, or the given stanza. This stanza brings out this theme, and how this particular theme is related to this stanza. You cannot just say this is the theme. You have to write what is the theme, and you have to explain why, how and why this theme is related to this particular extract. That is also very important. And the last part in your context answer, there you have to write about the you have to comment on, or you have to write about the literary devices. What are the literary devices you can see here, and how these literary devices are related to the poem or related to the short story. So if, for example, if you say there is an example of alliteration, then you have to say why that particular alliteration is used here. What is the how it is relevant to the extract, or what is the point of use in this. Now, there is a tone of this, and why this tone is used, why this image is used. So you cannot just say, you cannot just talk about the literary devices. You have to explain the literary device, and you have to say why this literary device is here, what is the reason of using, and what is the job, what does it do here, why do we use it, why the writer has used this particular literary device. So these are the common things that you need to pay attention when you are writing a context answer. So most of the time we write 4 paragraphs: introduction, analyzing paragraph, and theme, and the literary devices. But for some extracts you don't find lot of like a lot of literary devices you might not find there. Then you can combine the theme and the literary devices into one paragraph. But remember, when it comes to the analyzing, you have to analyze the given extract exactly, because the main idea, what is the idea and how it is, and if there is a, if imagine this is something, this is an evening scene, so then how this evening scene is related to the situation of this novel, like that you have to analyze. So you can practice taking some extracts from the poems and short stories, dramas and novels, and you can practice how to approach. You can take some extracts and you can write, and you can check with your teachers. So this is how we should approach for a context answer. That will be for 8 marks, and you will get 4 context questions. So keep that in your mind and you can practice. And if you have any other question, you can send me a comment under the comment section. So let's discuss further about this. And even if you have written context answers, you can post them under the comment section so we can check them and discuss them. So see you with another video, and do your studies well. Write as much as possible. Read your notes. Study well. All the best. Bye bye.